Honestly, y'all, this is weird. I can make a weird sound and inhale cold air going to the back of my throat. Well, it feels right, like it feels right here. Yeah, let me try it again. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's hard. There we go, mastered it.